So far, we've seen many leaks about the Galaxy S24 series, which is expected to launch in February 2024. These leaks reveal that the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with a plethora of improvements, including better displays, improved cameras, faster processors, bigger batteries in some models, and faster charging. A new leak that we have today is the most noteworthy of them all, and it will put a big smile on the faces of people who are looking forward to these phones. According to a new report from Chosen Media, Samsung will equip the base variants of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. That means people don't have to spend more money to get the higher memory/storage variant if Samsung doesn't increase the prices of the base models compared to the Galaxy S23 series. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to come with 16 gigs of RAM as an option. It is possible that this version has 1 TB of internal storage. Citing an industry source, the South Korean publication claims that all 3 Galaxy S24 models will feature the company's 13th generation AMOLED panel, called the M13. The new display panel is said to be thinner, more power efficient, and have better picture quality. The iPhone 15 series, on the other hand, is expected to get the 12th generation OLED panel, M12, which Samsung's already used in the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We may not see M13 panels in Apple's phones till iPhone 16. According to the report, Samsung may offset the cost of these upgrades by using the Exynos 2400 chipset. It will cost the company less to dual-source chips from Samsung's System LSI and Qualcomm. The Exynos version is expected to be launched in Europe and some Asian countries, while the North American region may get the Snapdragon versions of the Galaxy S24 series. Galaxy S23 Android 14 One UI 6.0 beta goes live for real this time. Samsung has finally launched the One UI 6.0 beta program for the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Don't worry, this time's the real deal instead of an accidental announcement. Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra owners in Germany, Korea, and the US can now take Android 14 and One UI 6.0 for a spin. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed it, but if history is any guide, the One UI 6.0 beta will likely be available in at least the UK, India, China, and Poland as well. The customers in those markets might have to wait a week or two before they can join in on the fun. We can also expect Samsung to bring the beta to more of its flagships and some mid-range phones in the near future. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.